is how to start getting paid by completing tasks on GibWork. These GibWork platforms allow you to complete social tasks. It's a platform that allows you to complete social tasks and they pay you in return. So I'll walk you through on how to start earning money from this GibWork. It's free to get started and it's not tedious. Some of the tasks takes about 5 minutes, or most of the tasks takes about 5 minutes to complete. So I just signed up, and now you see how do you want to use GibWork? You see hire help, post a task. I want to post work and hire people. So meaning that people can post to hire members or to hire users to get paid for it. It's just like saying Upwork, where they have different people that does a lot of tasks and they get paid. So here I think it's mostly social task. So you can see earn dollars per find task. I want to complete tasks and get paid. So this is where we have, and I can do both. Post plus earn. Okay, let me do both. There might be opportunity for me to post some task. Which best describes you right now? Solo builder, small team, posting for company, posting for client agency, freelancer, looking to earn too. Let me click on freelancer. So choose your plan. Oh, because I selected I want to post. Oops, I'm not posting yet. We are okay. Yeah, you see, I had to cancel that. Okay, at least 2 connected accounts in account settings to remove restrictions. So here is it. I had to cancel where they asked me to subscribe because they thought I was gonna pay for posting. So if you want to pay, if you want people to do your tasks too, you can use the platform to let people do your task. For now, we are basically monitoring the task like freelancer role. You can see simple tasks: refile, excavator trend, write a Reddit complaint, 14-day X posting challenge, create an engaging TikTok or Reels, report GibWork platform issues. This was the next. So every participant is sharing all of this. You can see $200, $600, $140, $400. So they are sharing this reward among participants. So they are saying account restricted. Add at least 2 accounts in account settings to remove restriction. So I'll just click on this forward arrow. Then I'm going to connect my X account and also connect Discord. I have GitHub too. Connect your GitHub account for seamless integration. Let me connect X first, and I'll connect Discord as well. So I might either connect Discord or connect GitHub. So let me first of all connect this X account. So I've connected that. Let me connect Discord. I think I have Discord on this device. I've not signed in on GitHub on this device. If I'm using a PC, I will have connect. Whoops. It should open my Discord app now. Okay. So now here is it. Let me click on this wallet icon. Fund task, receive payment, and collect reward. So this is it. Create your wallet. I'll click on continue. So now all set. I can go to the wallet page. So you can see withdraw deposit. Yeah, I'm seeing deposit because I selected that I want to do both. Maybe, there will be a time I might need to use their services for people to also do some tasks for me. So here is it. So if I want to withdraw, enter the destination address and amount to withdraw USDC. So enter Solana wallet address. So their mode of withdrawing is USDC on Solana network. USDC on Solana network. So no USDC balance found. Please deposit USDT to your wallet first. So I'll enter the wallet the Solano wallet, the USDC on Solano network. I'll paste it here, then enter the amount I want to withdraw, then withdraw. So that's all. Then this is accounts. Okay, I think they have subscription for people that want to do freelancer too, if you want to unlock higher task. But what do we even need that for? Okay, so let's go back to the task page and see. Okay, you can see the restriction is no longer showing because I've connected two social accounts. So you see, create X content about Sublime. Create X. This tax ends in 6 days, and they are sharing $160 among participants. Sublime is looking for X content that helps more people understand its project, concepts, core ideas, and technology. This task focuses on creating simple, clear, and engaging content about Sublime on X. The goal is to introduce Sublime to more users, builders, AI gen developers. So learn more. You can read about the content you are supposed to create on X. So you visit the Sublime website, task description. Your task is to always read the description so that you know what they want you to do. Create X content about Sublime. Explain Sublime content in simple and engaging way. Highlight why AI giant and something. You can choose any angle such as what Sublime is and why it matters, why AI giants need private payment. So all of these things are formats that you can use to create content. Like write something about Sublime and post it. Then I think after that, content formats. Your content can be a single X post, a trend, a graphic, a video, a demo walkthrough. Requirements: the content must be original. Post must tag. The content should be specific to Sublime. The content should be written in clear English. Avoid vague or low effort posts such as check out Sublime, great project. Do not make false claim, guarantee yield claims, or misleading statements. Do not use bots, fake engagement, copy content, or spam. What to submit? Please submit the link to your X post, a short explanation of the angle you chose. That's it. Price breakdown: $1 to $10 based on the quality. So for every post that you do about this Sublime platform, you earn between $1 to $10. So meaning that $1 is the minimum that you get for your post. So even if you don't have a lot, as long as you have 200 minimum followers on X, 200 minimum followers on X, then you qualify for this reward. So you create based on the quality of your post, you earn between $1 to $10. So what everybody will earn differs. Originality, clarity, and potential impact of the content. Then updated. Thank you for many submission. We receive more submission than expected, so we prioritize rewarding high quality content. Thank you for understanding. So let me see where we are submitting the link. So make sure you always read the description to know what you are supposed to do. So it's ending in 6 days, this particular one. Okay, my submission. So here is it. Start typing your submission. So this is where you are submitting. When you click on this, your submission, you type in you paste the link to your post or video or anything. Paste it here. Then write a short angle. If you mention about what Sublime is doing, or you mention about their roadmap, or you mention any angle that you use to make that post, also write it there and submit with the link. Then click on submit, and that's it. So that's how to perform the task. I've just explained everything that you need to do here, and you can see this is for everybody. You see, create as okay, this one. Okay, another one. Create as content about steak and this is another one, steak and snake. This one in 19 days, your submission. So create original. Always read description. Everything that you need to create the content is happening here. So read description, content formats. You can see same as what we read earlier. Must be verified on X, at least 200 followers. You need to have 200 followers on X. Then no vouch bonus. Post include a real screenshot or clip from your own gameplay. Always read description. The description to each task differs, so that you don't do out of what they are asking of you. So give feedback about or suggestion. So this, I don't think this is a okay. Subline is looking for thoughtful community feedback, core idea, gathering users' opinion. Let's go to the description. Okay, a short summary of your understanding of subline. What do you think is strong or promising? What you think? Okay, so this one does not even require you to post, just to give feedback. So where are we? Requirement: feedback should focus on subline, both positive and negative. Submission must be written in clear. All right. So I'm trying to see where to provide the feedback. Submitting. Let me go to this submit. Okay, I think this is where we are submitting the feedback as well, under your submission. So you can see how simple these tasks are. All of this creating posts will take you less than 5 minutes. Once you have read about the website, look for one angle you want to talk about, post it on X, submit the link, and that's all. So at the end of the days, this one, Reddit compliance, or post a comment. So you must have a Reddit account. If you don't have, just go to reddit.com and create an account. Then you follow this post to write a comment or post. Identify a relevant subreddit where GibWork can be mentioned naturally and appropriately. So you need a Reddit account to do this. So $1 to $5 per Reddit post or comment that does not get removed by Reddit moderation. $10 to $50 bonus for content that exceed expectation. So you see, this one is this GibWork is so simple and straightforward. All you need to do is to click on each of the tags available. Go to the description, read about what they ask you to talk about, then make a sensible post, quality post or comment about, depending on what the tag says. Then you are good. So this is how GibWork works. Check the link to get started in the description box of this video. Like and share this video, and give it a thumb up, share around. Okay, let's go together. So thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.